What's good? What's hood? I'm back with another one, another food review. We're here at Pizza Three Brothers. I don't know if you can see it, but yeah, Three Brothers. Three Brother Pizzeria. It's on Guy Brewer and 109. Guy Brewer and 109. Telephone number is 718-526-2779. Yo, best chicken I ever tasted, man. The best chicken I ever tasted. For real. Never tasted chicken like this before, but man, y'all should come check it out. You definitely won't be disappointed. That's the chicken over there. It's fresh every day. Every day. All their food is good. But yeah. Let me get a breast. Yeah. So y'all make the chicken fresh every day, right? All right. Yep, I'm getting the chicken right now. I'm gonna bite into it.
You want hot sauce?
Nah, no hot sauce. Thanks, bro. Look how crispy that is. Damn. That shit look good. Look how. Look at that. Isles meals, it tastes so good. But yeah, definitely come check them out. I definitely come here all the time. I wouldn't steer you wrong. Definitely won't steer you wrong. This chicken is good. I'm gonna go again. Fresh chicken. Three Brothers Pizzeria. Guy Brewer 109. I'll give you the telephone number again when I go back outside. All right, bro. See y'all next time. All right. So, yeah. Come check out the chicken. You won't be disappointed. The number is 718-526-2779. Excuse for the noise in the background. I can't help that. But until next time, it's another food review. I can show you better. I can tell you. Like, subscribe, hit that bell, share. If you don't hit that bell, it doesn't count. All right? Until next time, peace out.